Want to offer your employees the convenience of direct deposit but not sure how to set it up securely? If bank account details make you nervous, you're not alone. Today, we're adding direct deposit information in ADP, step by step. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Direct deposit allows you to send pay electronically to your employees' bank accounts. They can split pay between multiple accounts if they choose. Step 1. Access the employee's profile. Go to the Employees section and select the employee you want to set up. In their profile, look for Payment or Direct Deposit options. Click Add or Edit to enter their banking information. Step 2. Enter accurate bank details. You'll need the bank's routing number and the employee's account number. The employee can provide this from a voided check or bank statement. You can also set the deposit order and amount if splitting between accounts. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Require employees to submit a voided check or bank letter. This is your proof that the bank details are correct. It protects both you and the employee from errors that could send their pay to the wrong account. Never accept bank details via unsecured email. So, just like that, you can offer a modern payment method that employees love. Secure direct deposit setup goes a long way in streamlining your payroll process. Now I'm curious, do you offer direct deposit as an option, or is it mandatory for your team? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.